महोदय, सफलता परिश्रम का प्रतिफल है, दूरदृष्टि और विवेकता का फल है। सिर्फ मेहनत और परिश्रम से सफलता नहीं मिलती। इस दिशा में एक व्यक्ति प्रेरणा स्रोत बनके उभरता है और वे हैं माइक्रोलैब्स के संस्थापक स्वर्गीय जीसी सुराना। सुराना जी का जन्म राजस्थान के पाली जिले के एक छोटे से कस्बे में 28 अप्रैल 1941 में हुआ। वे 5 दशक पहले बैंगलोर पधारे और एक उच्च उद्यमी के रूप में उभरकर सामने आए। पिता श्री चुन्नीलाल भुटाजी सुराना और मां प्यारीबाई चुन्नीलाल सुराना के 8 बच्चों में ये छठे थे। हिंदी माध्यम में अपनी पढ़ाई एक बोर्डिंग स्कूल में रहकर किया और अपनी मां के इच्छा अनुसार पढ़ाई समाप्त होते ही बैंगलोर चले आए। श्री जीसी सुराना ने एक दवा बनाने वाली दादा एंड कंपनी में 8 साल तक निष्ठा से काम किया। दवाओं के वितरण के लिए कभी साइकिल तो कभी पैदल जाया करते थे।
In 1967-68 somewhere, my father wanted to start some new business. That time, Gavarsan Surana's brother-in-law, Mangilal Parekh, he met and he told my father, you can take my brother-in-law and you can start new business, pharmaceutical business. That time, Gavarsan Surana was working in the Dadda and Company, and we took him Gavarsan Surana in 1967 somewhere. And we started South India Chemical. That South India Chemical, totally he is in charge of the firm, and he started generic business. In total Karnataka, he is doing the business, and he is sleeping in the table itself whole night. And when our brother and all is coming in the morning, that time he is going to the house. And like that, he has started work hard and build the business.
बड़े ही सादगी से अपना जीवन व्यतीत करने का अभ्यास हो गया था। कहते हैं उनके शादी का कुल खर्चा केवल 1000 रुपया ही हुआ था। स्वयं कारोबार के बारे में बहुत सपने देखते थे और उसी दिशा में साउथ इंडिया फार्मास्यूटिकल्स नाम की एक संस्था का निर्माण किया।
Since the funds was constrained, my younger brother want to start some pharmaceutical business, and in case if he can finance, he can start the business. So that's how this small partnership company started in the name of South India Pharmaceutical in AR Street. That lasted for 6 years, and he established the business very well. So, but again, fund was a constraint. So my eldest brother-in-law, who was settled in Bombay, he has helped him in financing the business, and our own company by name Sterling Agency was started.
Whenever an opportunity comes, he would act immediately. He would not look at the consequences of that. I think the vision was there and the risk-taking capacity was there. So he would not think too much on doing a total due diligence before jumping into anything.
मुंबई वासी अपने बड़े साले साहिब के वित्तीय सहायता से स्टर्लिंग एजेंसी नाम की एक और संस्था की शुरुआत की। इसी दौरान पहले जहां काम करते थे दादा एंड कंपनी की अनुसाधन और विकास इकाई और एक उत्पादन इकाई बिकाऊ थी। इस अवसर का सही उपयोग सुराना जी ने इन इकाइयों को खरीद कर किया। 1973 में आरंभ हुई माइक्रोलैब्स ने पहले ही वर्ष में 35 लाख का व्यवहार किया। कई प्रख्यात दवाओं के ब्रांड का जन्म तभी हुआ।
Mr. G.C. Surana selected me in 1971 as his medical representative. And from that time till today, I am in Microlabs. His trump card product, Dolopar, was the first product. In that, one ingredient is analgin, which he used to import. See, for the same analgin, local analgin was costing much lesser, but he paid more and got the imported analgin only. And again, that particular product has even beaten a multinational brand.
He started Microlabs with some few Triumph products like Dolopar, Irex 12, Microseed, Microdox, those kind of products. And Dolopar was a roaring success then actually. And our first year sale was around 35 lakhs rupees per annum. Slowly Micro became, like leading companies in South India and one of the top 20 companies in all India basis actually. He was very ethical in his business dealings and he used to always tell us that never get indulged into any wrong practices in business and don't play with the government money and see that due to government is paid on topmost priority. That's how Microlabs has created image today in the market in pharma industry. I can say excellent relationship he used to maintain with all doctors and wherever all doctors actually, excellent relationship. And he used to know that which doctor is prescribing which product of his actually, and not because of the money he used to maintain relationship, he used to have a personal, and doctor also used to have a very good regards for him actually. Doctors as well as take government officials all had a very good regards for him. At the same time he also used to have very good regards for them actually, because he was not maintaining relationship with the money actually.
I was quite often going to him in the hospital, in Mahavir Hospital in Bangalore. He always asked me about certain medications. I had become by that time quite a reasonable, knowledgeable man about most medications, and he would share with me. He will ask me the side effects, he will ask me the drug interactions, and the friendship continued. And meanwhile, he was grooming Mr. Dilip Surana, his elder son. Dilip would come along with his dad to my office quite often and just listen quietly. But now I can see Mr. Dilip Surana has picked up almost the entire approach of his dad very faithfully.
अपने व्यापार में सरलता और नैतिकता को प्राथमिकता देने वाले सुराना जी गुणवत्ता पर सबसे अधिक प्रामुख्यता देते थे।
I met Mr. G.C. Surana about 20 years ago when I was just starting my career back in India. As a person who was making quality drugs at affordable price. As you are aware, drug prices are very high for the poor man of this country, even though Indian drug prices are much less than overseas market. For a common man, it is still expensive. But every time I met him, he was only talking to me about reducing the cost and making it affordable. And the other fascinating aspect of him was his attitude towards quality and benchmarking himself with the international drug products.
There were 3-4 things which he was very particular about in business. One was the quality philosophy. He was very, very particular that there should be no compromise on the quality. Whether the product was made for anybody, whether it was for veterinary use, whether it was for government, hospital use, or whether for domestic trade or for exports, quality was always one and the same. He was very, very hardworking, and he would get into the any particular problem or any kind of activity, he would get into the smallest of the details.
जीसी सुराना जी ने अपने बच्चों और भाइयों को भी इस व्यापार में आने में प्रेरणा दी और कंपनी के प्रत्येक कर्मचारी को बड़े आत्मीयता से देखते थे। उनके पास अभी भी कई दशकों से अनेक कर्मचारी हैं।
ಶ್ರೀ ಸುರಾಣಾಜಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಪರಿಚಯ ಅಬೌಟ್ 20 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ 20 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿ ಸರ್ದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಿಲಾಂಥ್ರಪಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಕೈಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಐ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಿನಗೆ? ನಾನು ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 1000 ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 1000 ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು 10,000 ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿವಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್. ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಸುವರ್ಣ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಐ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್, ಇದು ಶಶಾದಿಪುರಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಇದು GC ಸುರಾಣಾಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಇದು ಅನುದಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 10,000 ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೆವರ್ ಸೀನ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡನ್ ಸೋ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಜಡ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಏನು ದಾಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಯ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೈತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಬೈದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೋಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರೆದು, ಏನಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಸಾಗಿ ಬೈಬಾರ್ದ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ದೇವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಅವರು.
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು 1968-69. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ MD ಗೆವರ್ಚಂದ್ ಸುರಾಣ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ. ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮುಳ್ಜಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕಿಶಿಪ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ರೆಡಿ ಇರೋ ಅಂಥ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ಶಿಪ್. ಅವ್ರು ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ್ ಫಾದರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇತ್ತು, ರಾಮಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಒಂದು ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಮನೆಯದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಏನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಜಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ, ಆನಂದ್ ಜಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. एवरी मंथ नाउ वेर एवर आई एम हियर आई विल रीच इन मंथ एंड हियर.
पिछले 40 वर्षों में 2,500 करोड़ मूल्य के औषधों की बिक्री के साधना से माइक्रोलैब संस्था ने 10,000 लोगों को उद्योग प्राप्त करने में सहायता की है.
We've started when he started the business, the first year's turnover from 35 lakh in. Now it's I think close to about 40 years since the company has been formed, and we've this year done a turnover of 2,500 crores, close to 2,500 crores. Even today a good number of people we have, and actually it would not be I would not be exaggerating if I tell you that despite the company being so big and with so many employees today, we have close to about 10,000 employees. Now our plan is to how we take this to 5,000 crores. So the challenge for us is how we develop this business in the next 3-4 years, I think. And for that, of course, we have created a lot of infrastructure. In fact, good amount of infrastructure Dad has created for us. So I think a lot of 80% of the background work has already been done by him.
बेंगलुरु, होसूर, पौंडीचेरी जैसे अनेक जगहों पर कुल 13 उत्पादन इकाइयों को स्थापित किया है. बेंगलुरु और मुंबई में संशोधन इकाइयां भी स्थापित हुई हैं. माइक्रोलैब एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी के रूप में उभरकर सामने आई है.
I got introduced in Bombay way back in 1985, and the first meeting that I had with him was so impressive that I wanted to work for him. That was his personality. He was a visionary leader. He was a very disciplined and a very aggressive person in his approach, but he was extremely kind-hearted person. It was a very unique combination of an extraordinary personality that I encountered, and I decided to work for him, and he made it possible for me to come from Bombay to this place 30 years ago. He was a person who understood the responsibility of manufacturing quality products in pharmaceuticals. I'm yet to see in my 4 decades working experience as a qualified pharmacist anybody who understood the concept of quality of manufacture of pharmaceuticals better than him.
एशिया, यूरोप, अफ्रीका और दक्षिण अमेरिका में भी अपने व्यापार को विस्तृत किया है। 30 से भी ज्यादा देशों में माइक्रोलैब उत्पादित दवाइयां आज लभ्य हैं। व्यापार में असीम सफलता पाने के उपरांत सुराना जी के मन में समाज के लिए कुछ करने का विचार उत्पन्न हुआ।
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೈತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಧರ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿ, ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು।
ऐसे शिक्षण संस्थाओं का स्थापन किया जहां पर कम लागत पर शिक्षण मिलता था। यही शिक्षण संस्था आज बेंगलुरु में सुराना कॉलेज के नाम से जाना जाता है।
1999ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುರಾನಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ MBA ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು। ಒಬ್ಬ ಹಿರಿಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡುವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1999ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌತ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ MBAಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ।
कारखाने के लिए खरीदी हुई जमीन पे मंदिर बनवाई और दान धर्म किया।
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾವ ತುಂಬ ದಾನ ಧರ್ಮ ತುಂಬ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಹಿ ನೆವರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವೆನ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, ಏನು ಥರ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈವನ್ टू मम्मी ऑल्सो।
ऐसे ही भी उसको दिमाग में था एक टेम्पल बनाना कर को, एक काम अपना खुद का करना कर को दिमाग में था कि मेरा खुद का काम करना है। ऐसा तो सब जगह में है, हसूर रोड में नहीं था तो इधर मेरा ज़मीन है तो इधर ही करेंगे अपने, तो सब लोग अच्छी तरह से आ सकता है। हसूर रोड में एक भी टेम्पल नहीं है, उधर देवनली है, मैसूर रोड में रामनगर है, बम्बई पुणे रोड में अपना लब्धि धाम है, 3 टेम्पल हो गया। अभी इस तरफ एक भी नहीं था, तो जिधर नहीं है उधर बनाना।
A few things learned from my father: honesty in whatever you do. Okay, there was no shortcut kind of thing where you could do something in some alternate method. That is something is very clear. कि भाई it has to be done straight and the right way.
अपने बिरादरी में सुराना जी का बहुत सम्मान था और है।
Once Microlabs grew to a certain stage, he started giving back to society something, like constructing temples in village or wherever places required, and community also started recognizing him, and they also started supporting him like anything actually, and he was because he was very simple person and very ethical in his business, so community used to like him. Apart money is one part, but he had a very good high respect from the community. I don't think I've seen any person criticizing him actually. As of now today, I don't think anybody seen him criticizing him.
ಸುರಾನ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು, ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮಾಲೀಕರಾದರೂ ಬಹಳ ಪೊಲೈಟ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದರೂ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಕರೆದ ಮೇಲೇ ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಅವರದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಅವರು ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಚ್ಛೆ. ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಿದೆ, ಅವರು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ ಚೆಕ್ ಬುಕ್ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. ಚೆಕ್ ಬುಕ್ ತೆಗೆದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಡ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಹಣದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಏನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು.
ಸುರಾನ ಸಾರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುರಾನ ಸಾರ್ ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅತಿ ಸಾಧಾರಣವಾದಂಥ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅವರು. ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಅವರು ಆಚೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಸಾರ್ ಬಂದರು ಅಂತ. ನಾನು 2-3 ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ದೆ, ಸರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಟರ್ನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಹಾಗೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಟರ್ನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಬಂದರು. ಅಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಂಬಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ GC ಸುರಾನ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಹುಶಃ ಒಂದು 20 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು 15 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅತಿ ನಿಕಟವಾಗಿ ಗುರ್ತಾದರು. ಅವರೊಬ್ಬ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಪೇಷಂಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವರು ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ GC ಸುರಾನ ಅವರು ಬಹುಶಃ ಪ್ರಾತಸ್ಮರಣೀಯರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅವರ ಸಜ್ಜನಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸರಳತನದ ಒಂದು ನಿದರ್ಶನ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಶುರು ಆದಾಗ ಒಂದಿನ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿಂದ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇನೆ. ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಖುದ್ದಾಗಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಊಟ ಆಗಲಿ ಬಡಿಸೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೆಲಸದವ್ರನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಉಪಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತಂದು, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾತಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರ ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೇಹ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ವಿಚಾರಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನು ಬೇಕೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಥರ ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 2 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿತು, ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನನಗೀಗ ಒಂದು ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ GC ಸುರಾನ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
काम में अत्यंत व्यस्त होने के बावजूद सुराना जी अपने परिवार के सदस्यों के लिए समय अवश्य निकालते थे और अपने बहुओं को भी व्यापार करने की कई अवसर प्रदान करते थे.
In a Jain community, usually the daughter-in-laws, they don't work. But my father-in-law, as a great visionary, only daughter-in-law should not work in kitchen. They should take responsibility outside also. And this made him to give me the responsibility to look for the college activities.
We're here to talk about Dada, our grandfather, today. He was a very fun-loving person, a very, very chilled-out person. He was our partner in crime, and he was the most peaceful one at home. So there was always a lot of noise at home, and all the papas are always working, and the mamas were busy in their work, and Dadi with her temple schedule. He was the only one who would actually sit down with us to talk to us in the evening and play around with us, and he'd always help me out with my math work, and he'd always say that, you must top maths, that's one thing that you must do. Anyone, as far as I remember, anyone who'd come up to him, he'd make sure that he could give that person the maximum help that he can. So that's what I really liked about him, and that's what I get from him. The basic quality of loving people and helping as much as you can. He was also a very disciplined man, and yeah, I've learned how to be punctual and disciplined because of him.
Before I got married, I thought my father was the best man I ever knew. But after I got married, I met my father-in-law as a father with a greater height, still such a simple person. He had this time to sit with me, listen to me. Still such a big man with so much of business around and great people to come and meet him. But he was a very good listener. He used to sit down for hours and listen to complaints, listen to everything what comes to you out without any judgment. He had time for children, he had time for us, and we always used to have tea together. And I just loved him. Everybody loves him in the world, but still I have special regards and there are no words to express him.
Today when we look back and see, we are not able to give so much of time with so many people to manage so many things for us. But still it's very difficult for us to find time and listen to children. The patience is not there. And if you go back and see, at that time, almost all the work he had to do, so many people to visit, and still all the time he was always available whenever children wanted, we wanted to ask anything. He was never in a hurry for anything. So he had all the time for us and never made us feel that he does not have time for us.
श्री GC सुराना के बारे में उनकी प्यारी पोती कुछ ऐसा कहती हैं.
He would help us out with our studies, and when I used to get into fights with my parents, he would always take my side and support me even if I was a little wrong. And then later he'd come up and say that, you know, what you did was wrong and you can work on it. But he was always supportive, like he never yelled at us. He would sometimes shout at my parents and my grandmother, but he never yelled at any of the children in the house, even when we were wrong. So he was one of the most lovable members of our family. And we all of us would just look up to him because he was always there. We would play with him, we could share anything with him, and we enjoyed being with him. He made sure that we were provided with everything, all facilities and all possible comforts. So I want to at least try to be as hardworking and as dedicated as he has been throughout his entire life, whether professionally or in the house. He's always shown so much perseverance and commitment in everything he's done, and I really hope I can be like that. Dada, I love you and I miss you a lot, and your blessings are always with us, and I hope that wherever you are, I know that you're always looking after us.
श्री GC सुराना के बारे में उनके पोते पोती कुछ ऐसा कहते हैं.
One day in the evening, we were singing the national anthem. So my grandfather came and he said that you can't sing the national anthem after 6 o'clock. And he's like, let's sing some old song. And then he started singing the song Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein. And then we all sang and we had so much fun. So that's all. And then one thing I learned about him is to help as many people as you can and to reach out to everyone.
My Dada, he was the most loving, friendly and kind person. I remember one thing, as I was the youngest, when my sisters used to bully me, I used to go and complain to him, and he used to go and shout at everybody, and I was pampered the most, and we used to have a lot of fun with him, and he used to spend a lot of time with us.
I would like to talk about my father. You know, he used to really know the value of dharma, and he used to know the value of each and everything towards money, towards children, towards human mankind. He had the value of everything and full knowledge of everything. He could register in his mind within a fraction of a second. For that matter, anything, like for example, he was a very good businessman in negotiations, in like choosing a boy for myself. And one thing about his determination, his focus, his set of goals, and he used to, it's like on straight on. Very, very focused he was in matter of business, in matter of house, in matter of children. And he taught lot of, he says hard work leads to success. That I really liked about him. That has led to a big success of what my brothers are today or my mother is today. He has really, like a deep thought in his mind where everything has been a success behind it.
I really want to put it across that I really admired the personality. He was a very strong and determined personality. he would always focus himself and really go all out for whatever he dreamed about. He was passionate about a lot of things and is not only in business but also in life. And I remember very often he would come down from his walks to our house, and it was such a welcome thing. All of a sudden he would reach, and it was surprise and this thing. He taught me a lot of things in terms of business, saying that business is all about focus, and I think I learned a lot from him, from his strong personality. So we do miss him a lot.
I was very lucky to have spent time with Nana, and he was a great personality. He was very caring and fun-loving. I remember we used to go on secret drives without telling Nani that, and we would go to eat pizza in Shiv Sagar, and he would love it. He was always caring towards us. He always used to call out Adit and me to come and spend time with him. I think he was a person who always consumed himself like a candle to light the way for others. His willingness to help other people is testified by everyone you would have seen in this video. Even when you walk down either the Microlabs office or the Atibele temple, everyone speaks so highly of him, which makes a perfect impact that he has touched so many lives. He has really made a mark in everyone's life that he has interacted with, and I'm happy that he was part of our life.
Yeah, so I don't really remember that much about Nana because I was pretty young back then, but now over the years, Mama has been telling me so many stories about Nana, about how he was when he was young, about how he treated them as her father, but how playful he was, and I really regret not getting to know him better. And I always remember that the one thing that I remember was whenever I went to his house, there was like a huge line of people waiting to meet him, waiting to take his help, take his advice, and he was always willing to help everyone who came to him. And whenever he used to come home, he used to call out for me, and I used to be pretty shy back then. I used to be hiding in my room, not wanting to meet all the family members, which was quite overwhelming back then, but he used to always call me down, and he wanted to interact with me, perhaps maybe because I was the only son, but I really regret not getting to know him better because I really admired his will to help others and how he used to have fun while being very serious in his work as well.
श्री जीसी सुराना जी के कार्य निष्पादन एवं संशोधन के लिए उन्हें कई प्रशस्तियां और पुरस्कार प्राप्त हुए हैं। अपने अंतिम सांस तक अपने संस्था के बारे में, अपने कार्य के बारे में एवं अपने कारीगरों के बारे में सदा सोचते थे। जीसी सुराना जी के निधन के पश्चात हजारों लोग उनके अंतिम यात्रा में शामिल हुए, जो इस बात को दर्शाता है कि वो कितने प्रख्यात और अपनों में प्यारे थे। हर एक व्यक्ति ने इनके निधन पर इतने आंसू बहाए जो आम तौर पे आदमी सिर्फ अपनों के लिए करता है।
I've had a very, very long association and a very close association with Shri Gevar Chandji Surana. Mr. Surana was a very, very simple and approachable person. Whether it is employees or friends, he was always available for them. And he had developed a very, very close bondage with all the people with whom he was involved. This talks very high of his simplicity and approachability.
इनके द्वारा स्थापित किए गए उद्यम, शिक्षण संस्थाएं, मंदिर एवं सेवा संस्थानों को बहुत लंबे अरसों तक चलने के लिए योजना का निर्माण सुराना जी ने किया था।
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾವ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಇದು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಲ್ಯಾಬ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ 2 ಮಗಳು ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಅವ್ರ ಆನಂದ್ ಅವರು ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮಾವದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಇದೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್.
श्री जीसी सुराना के आदर्श, कायदे कानून एवं योजनाएं सदा ही लोगों के जीवन में आशादीप बने रहेंगे। सफलता की यात्रा।